will show you how I added this shape inside my text. Let's start. First of all, create a shape. This is how to put your image inside a shape. Create a shape. You create the first one and you will reduce it. You go to reduce and reduce it and make the shape. Create the shape based on what you want. So after it, you copy it and place it where you want it to be. I'm using this step for example so that we will see how to add it. See how to add it so clean and clear. Now I have created this 5 here. I have placed it where I want it to be. Can you see? Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So what you need to do is go over to texture. You can see it, texture. Click it and click texture. Add the image you want to use. Add the image you want to use. Then you will see myself too. Then you need to adjust the scale. Adjust it. The image has entered it inside the shape. Have you see it? Very clean. Don't forget to subscribe because this video is helpful. Those of you that don't know how to add your image inside the shape, pay attention to this video. Let me add the second one again. Maybe I will just add one more and remove other shape. Add another one. Like you can crop it the way you want it to be so that it will align with the shape based on the shape you created. Look at this one, you are seeing part of other side. Then I reduce the scale, it have entered. This is the last one I'm going to add. So don't forget to subscribe. Pay attention. And in this video I'm going to show you how to add your image inside sticker, like phone sticker, laptop sticker, any sticker you want to add your image. It will make your design more good. It will look professional. So this is what we have here. I have added this 3. I hope you learned something on this one. So let's clean this one. Let me show you how to add your image in a phone sticker. I will show you how to do it. Very simple. Go over to import. First of all, you have to import the sticker which you need. Wait, let me import it. Import the sticker, the full sticker we will be using on this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe. This is how you can support. Subscribe. Yes, this is the phone sticker right here. I will click OK and place it where I want it to be. This is the phone sticker. I'm going to add my image inside this phone sticker. So pay attention so that you know what I did, so that you can also do it. At the end of this video, please open your PixelLab and do the same thing so that you will gain this knowledge and how to do it. This is the shape that I'm creating now. Create a shape. Go over to reduce it to match the shape. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes, I'm trying to make it to align with the shape. You make it to align with the shape. If you get it, you have gotten what you need. So I'm trying to align it. Let me reducing the 12. I have the radius, I kept it to 12. Let me align it. No, please don't forget to subscribe. Then go over to texture. Since I have successfully aligned it, go over to texture, add the image which you want to put inside the shape, inside the phone sticker. Then this is the image I'm using right here. This is the image. I can crop it. Just crop it based on what you want to do, based on the sticker. That is how you crop it to align, so that the image will not draw too big. Look at it. I have aligned it clean and clear, perfectly. How to add your image inside text. Can you see it? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe.